you everybody who is watching this video. My name is Olenjolain TAYAI Losingo from beautiful, fantastic country that's called the United Republic of Tanzania, or simply we call it Tanzania. So I would like to welcome you onto our official online school, and we have some programs that we'd like to introduce to you. Just as my own introductions, this is my name. My name is Olenjolain TAYAI Losingo, right? I'm from Tanzania. I'm a Tanzanian, and also I'm living in Tanzania, and I'm doing these programs in Tanzania, the eastern country, or eastern of African continent. And this is actually what we like many foreigners, in case that you're a foreigner. So, excuse me, I would like to welcome you into our official online ordinary secondary school. It's called the Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary Schools, in square bracket Olenjolain. It means this is the founder, right? And also we have currently have a YouTube channel that we call Tanzania Online O-Level Secondary Schools, in square bracket Olenjolain M. So I would like just to give you some of the information, or piece of information within a short time concerning about this online program. Number one, remember that this is online programs, so it means that we are using digital technology on teaching students, and we don't have a physical schools at this moment. So just understand the way it is, so we can access and we do everything digitally. So the primary questions which is in your mind, whether you're parents or you're a student or you're guardians or you're a brother of your students, or you are a student, maybe a sister, a girl or a boy, you can ask yourself many questions, but one of the questions you would like to get answer at the beginning, you want to know the vision of the school. So once you know the vision of the school, then from there you will know whether that this is the right place for you or it's not the right place. So what the vision for Tanzania Online, Ordinary Secondary Schools, in square bracket Olenjolain? Well, in short, it's a good question, even that it's a too much detailed questions that I can even spend an hour to explain to you the vision, but just to use a brief sentence, I would like to let you that the main vision in my mind, in my heart, that God has introduced in my mind concerning about Tanzania Ordinary Secondary Schools is to see the community, or to prepare the community of Tanzanians, right? Prepare the community of Tanzanians, which will be the community of the youth in Tanzania, who actually that will be using the classroom instructions to solve real life problems, right? Let me repeat it. I say that the vision of this online ordinary secondary school is to prepare Tanzanians, right? It doesn't mean that even we don't prepare the Kenyans or the Ugandans, we can prepare even them. But the primary focus is Tanzanians. It means to prepare the Tanzanians, and to see these Tanzanians who have been prepared this program and even other programs, they use the classroom instructions to solve real life problems in the community, right? For instance, myself, I'm using the knowledge, the classroom instructions to solve the real life problem. What real life problems am I solving? It means that people, they fail to understand science and mathematics subjects, so I'm teaching them. So the issue of teaching is solving a problem, right? So that's the main vision in our heart. So whenever you see that we are working day and night and we are working intensively with this stuff, we want to see the community of Tanzanians who use the classroom instructions, especially in mathematics and science, to solve real life problems, right? That's the vision of this program. Again, another question, we are born to solve problems. So you can ask yourself these questions. What problem does Olenjolain is trying to solve? What problems does Olenjolain is solving? Well, that's the good questions. The problem which I'm solving is, actually I can say that it's my own problem. It used to be my own problems. And even it used to be my colleagues' problems, it used to be even my young brother's problem. So it's my problem that I'm solving. What problems am I solving? It happens that when I was in ordinary secondary education, more than 13 years ago, I experienced many challenges on learning and understanding science subjects such as physics, chemistry, biology, and even mathematics also. And there are many causes of that situation, but some of the causes were caused by the, first of all, scarcity of equipment. It means that the lab materials and the equipments or apparatus. And also another challenge that you find, we used to have a good teacher of physics in Form 1, but when we reach the Form 2, we don't have a good teacher, by the way. So it means that we don't have a regular, sometimes caused by the non-regular teachers in particular level. So again, some of the reasons have been caused by the financial support, maybe to get the materials and even to get the trainings during the vacation. So there are many causes, but some of the causes is that you find the science concepts and even mathematics concepts really they need systematic way of learning. So it means that the great challenge which I face myself is the good systematic learning of, for example, mathematics from Form 1 to Form 4. So I was missing. So you can find that in Form 1 I enjoy and I have been trained well, but when I reach the Form 2, then I find the challenges. Okay, I don't get the similar or the nearby sequence like when I was in Form 1. So that's the one of the problems, or that the problem that we are solving, which has been caused by the different reasons. So how are we going to solve this problem? That's the good questions. So I will be using different teaching techniques and different teaching aids and different teaching approach on teaching students about physics, chemistry, mathematics, and physics, chemistry, and mathematics. So I'll be using different teaching approach, different teaching aids, different teaching techniques, different teaching, we call it different teaching style, and etc., etc., etc. I'll be using in order to make sure that I simplify the concepts which have been seen in your mind or along your journey of O level. They have been seen like complex. So that's what I will be doing throughout of this program. So let me bring back to the schools. Currently we have 3 departments in this school, online school. The first department is called Basic Chemistry, second is Basic Physics, and the third is Basic Mathematics department. So also currently we are also teaching 12 subjects in these online schools. We are teaching 4 subjects for the chemistry, it means Form 1, Chemistry Form 1, Chemistry Form 2, Chemistry Form 3, Chemistry Form 4. We are teaching also 4 subjects in Physics, Physics Form 1, Physics Form 2, Physics Form 3, Physics Form 4. Also we are teaching 4 subjects in mathematics, Basic Mathematics Form 1, Basic Mathematics Form 2, Basic Mathematics Form 3, Basic Mathematics Form 4. So those are the subjects that we'll be teaching you in this online program. So you'll enjoy them. So we'll be trying to teach you, we'll be teaching you from the beginnings to the end of the subject. So we have in total 12 subjects. That job should be done by 12 teachers, right? But one man is going to do it, but not by my own strengths or by my own intelligence, but by the strengths that the God who has given me the gift of teaching will give me, and make sure that I use it effectively. So that's what just I wanted you to know concerning about the departments and the subject that we are going to teach you in this program. Just is like a warning I would like to give you at the beginning, that remember Olenjolain does not know everything concerning about chemistry, but I just know a little, but I'm ready to share, or I'm ready to teach other generations what I know, right? So I'm still learning a lot about the basic chemistry, but remember that if what I know, I can teach. That is who I am. Okay, so then you know that in the normal physical school, for example, that you want to join to Ilboru secondary schools, so you want to go maybe to join with Kibiti secondary schools or Zumbe secondary schools, there are some registrations or enrollment procedures. How about this online school? So that's the question that you're asking yourself. Okay, Olenjolain, I've understood your vision, your main objective, and whatever. So how can I join with your school, this online school? That's the good questions. The way that you can join with this online school, you should have receiving electronic devices such as laptop or iPad, mobile smartphones, iPhones, you see, MacBook Pro, computer, okay, desktop or smart TV, so that you can deliver this stuff. And also those electronic devices, they should have the internet. So once you have those two tools, then you are already, you can now join to our schools and you can enjoy the movement, right? You can enjoy the movement of this program. So then, in order for you to get connected, we upload more than 100 videos in this YouTube channel. So for you to get notification, make sure that you click these software buttons that called subscribe. And then the bell will appear, then click the bell, then you'll see option all, personalized, etc. So choose the all. So subscribe, click the bells, choose all. So from there, why are you subscribing? In order to get the official notification from the YouTube community once as we add a new video into this platform. That's number one. Number two, also insist the students and even viewers to read the descriptions. Click this button, show more. You'll find that the next page will be opened, and then with this next page that will be opened, what's going to happen? So it means that you have more instructions about the particular video. But part of it, it explains, it's inviting you to participate with these programs in your offering. Well, it means that in order to contribute for the running cost, we are not just asking you to do it, but in case you feel from your heart that you have to do so. So you're only welcome. In the descriptions, we offer the bank account, bank name, etc. Also, on this side, you have the Thanksgiving offering. This is the mobile transaction. You can send your freewheeling Thanksgiving offering through these mobile transactions, and your Thanksgiving will be received and will perform God's work effectively, right? That's another piece of information that you want to share with them. Again, we insist all the students to make sure that you share these contents, share it for, if you're a guardian, share it for your to your kids or to your neighbors' kids. If, for example, you're a student, share it with the students. If you're a worker, share it with some of the workers in your office. If maybe, for example, that you are students, share it with other students. So it means that these are the public informations. So make sure to share as well as you can. Again, you know that the class, any of my class is incomplete without questions. So I would like to, I always, in physical classes, which I did it for more than 10 years ago, I used to give students time to ask questions. So how will you ask questions in this digital platform? That they're good questions. You will use the comments because the software is already there. So comments, this is the part of the YouTube, yes, comments, just like a YouTube, public system, which actually that will give you at least, that will give your students at least is 5 to 6 functionality. The first functionality we say that because it's in comments, it's comment sections, you can use the comment sections first of all to ask questions. You can use the comment section to read questions that have been asked by other students. You can use the comment sections also, you can use the comment sections to make sure that everything's okay, right? The comment section means that you can answer a question that have been asked by other students. Use the comment sections also to ask you questions. As I said, that means the comment sections are profitable, right? So that's what we have to do, that we have to use that comment section. So also in this comment section that we have to say that, okay, fine, we like, it means that also you can submit your homework, because in most of the lecture that you're going to teach your sessions, we'll be leaving homework for you to try it as well as you can, right? So that's a great thing that we would like just to say it for you. So that, yes, so that's all about this interesting point of view. So you can use the comment sections to submit your homework. You can use it for the different purpose. So that's another piece of information. So again, we say that we are teaching concepts. We are teaching also problem solving. We having reasoning. Means that we teach you how to reason. And also we say that OLENJOLAI thinks differently, and then she said I subscribe, means that I think differently, so I act differently. So those are the piece of information that you need at this introduction, 20 or 40 of you, right? So that the great thing that I wanted to share with you. So make sure that you follow those instructions, you repeat this video several times as well as you can until the concepts has been built in your mind. But remember also these instructions might be helpful for the Form 2, Pre-Form 2, and even Form 2. Similar that this might be the general introductions of the chemistry for the Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, and Form 4. So that's what I wanted to share with you. So make sure you maintain those introductory information so that you may enjoy the beauty of chemistry, because chemistry is beautiful. Habari ndugu mtazamaji, karibu katika shule hii ya kwenye mtandao. Jina langu naitwa Mwalimu Olenjolai Moko TAYAI Nosingo. Jina langu naitwa Mwalimu Olenjolai Moko TAYAI Nosingo. Natoka nimezaliwa nchi ya Tanzania na naishi katika nchi ya Tanzania, na hata pia naongea na wewe nikiwa katika nchi ya Tanzania. Ninaomba nikukaribishe katika shule yetu au shule yangu au shule yetu kwenye mtandao ambayo inaitwa Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School, katika mabano ni Olenjolai. Kabla ya yote, kwanza nikueleze kabisa kwamba kwenye programu hii tunatumia lugha mbili za kufundisha wanafunzi. Tunapokuwa nafundisha kidato cha kwanza mpaka kidato cha kwanza, masomo yote matatu nafundisha kwa lugha mchanganyiko, Kiingereza na Kiswahili. Kwa maana yake natumia Kiswahili hapa kwa sababu kwamba hii video na rekodi kwa ajili ya wanafunzi wa kidato cha kwanza waweze kuelewa kilichosemwa kwenye Kiingereza. Ndio maana kwamba kwenye hii video utakuwa na mchanganyiko wa sehemu zote mbili. Okay? Hasa manake, na swali la kwanza kabla tuanza kwenda kuona kwamba kuna nini tunachokifanya katika hii shule ya mtandao, ambao wako wanajiuliza wewe kama mtazamaji, kama mzazi, pia kama mlezi wa mtoto au kama mwanafunzi, swali linalokuja kwanza kwenye akili yako ni kwamba je, kuna maono kwamba hii program kuna maono gani ambayo unayokuwa unayafanya? Nake kwamba kusudi la Mungu kwenye hii shule ya mtandao ni lipi? So manake kuna maelezo mengi, manake naweza kukueleza nikajibu hilo swali kwa zaidi ya siku kadhaa, siku nyingi sana. Naendelea tu kujibu hilo swali. Lakini pointi ya msingi ambayo inakuja ni kwamba tunataka kuona wanafunzi wa jamii ya Kitanzania ambayo wanachukua elimu ya darasani na kuibadilisha kuweka katika mifumo mbalimbali na kuweka katika vitendo pale ambapo wanapokuwa wanatatua matatizo ambayo ya kwenye jamii tunayotoka, ambayo yanatuzunguka usiku na mchana. Kwa hilo ndo lengo kuu la hii shule ya mtandao. Lakini swali lingine pia ambalo unaweza kujiuliza ni kwamba mimi nimeshawahi kuwafundisha wanafunzi? Na hilo ni swali ambalo la msingi nimeshawahi. Lakini katika kufundisha kwangu huwa natafuta kutatua tatizo gani? Ndio swali ambalo la msingi. Kama natatua tatizo gani? Kwa hiyo maana yake jambo la kumshukuru Mungu kwamba tatizo nalokuwa nalitatua hapa, kwamba ni utafiti ambao nimeufanya kwa muda mrefu zaidi ya miaka 10, ni kwamba inakuwa vigumu sana au inakuwa vigumu kwa kiasi fulani kwa wanafunzi wengine ambao unakuta hawana msingi mzuri, na inakuwa vigumu sana kuweza kuendelea pamoja na safari ya kwao. Okay? Kwa maana yake kwamba tatizo nalitatua ni kwamba wanafunzi wanashindwa kuelewa masomo wanayosoma darasani. Kwa hiyo ndio tatizo, na utaona kabisa kwamba moduli manake au tunachokuwa nakifanya na katika hali halisi jinsi ambavyo ilivyo, tuwatatua matatizo ya design hiyo yanasababishwa na sababu mbalimbali. Kuna sababu za uchumi, kuna sababu ambazo labda mwalimu hajali au mwalimu hajiandae vizuri au haandae notes zake vizuri. Kwa kuna sababu nyingi sana ambazo zinasababisha katika mazingira kama hayo. Kwa hilo ndio jambo ambalo la msingi. Kumbuka tatizo ambalo nalitatua kwa maana yake kuweza kuona kwamba kila kitu kinaenda sawa. Okay? Kwa hiyo ndio pointi ambayo ya msingi ndio nataka kuiweka sawa. Haya, karibu. Hapa kwenye shule hii tuna idara 3. Tuna idara ya Basic Chemistry ambayo maana yake nafundisha masomo 4.
na chemistry form 1, form 2, form 3, form 4. Lakini pia kwamba naona hapa katika department pia manake na sababu na basic physics. So basic physics manake nafundisha pia somo la fizikia. Na pia unaona hapa kwamba kuna somo ambalo la basic mathematics. Lakini pia nafundisha kuanzia kidato cha basic mathematics, nafundisha kuanzia kidato cha kwanza, cha pili, cha tatu, cha nne. Sawa? Kwa hicho ndio ambacho tunachoweza kusema katika mazingira kama haya. Kwa hiyo jambo lingine pia ambalo kwamba nakaribisha kwamba karibu katika Tanzania Online O-level secondary school, yes, in square bracket Olenjolain, to enjoy the beauty of chemistry. Na hapo kama nimeandika pia Olenjolain, think differently. Kwa hiyo maana yake hizo ni pointi ambazo tunatakiwa kuzikumbuka. Kwa kama leo maana yake tuko katika somo la chemistry, na natamani sana kuweza kwamba kuona kile mbegu ambayo uko naipanda inaota na inafanikiwa hatua kwa hatua. Kwa maana yake leo tunakaribisha kwa ile kidato cha kwanza, wanaojiunga tangu kidato cha kwanza kwa ajili aweze kufurahia undani wa chemistry katika maisha ya kwao. So that the point that I wanted to make it for you. Kwa hiyo ndio ambayo ndio point ya msingi, maana yake narudia na session 0 general introductions of the chemistry for the form 1. So that's the piece of information. Hayo ni maelekezo kwa lugha ya Kiswahili ambayo hapa nafundisha concept mbalimbali, nafundisha problem solving na maswali mbalimbali, nafundisha pia kwamba tathmini, reason, right? Kwa hiyo ndo hali halisi. Kwa haya ndo mambo machache ambayo kwa nataka kushirikiana na wewe kabla ya kuweza kuchukua katika hatua nyingine, ambapo sasa nakwenda kuangalia kwamba nini kilichofuata baada ya hapo. Okay. Kwa hilo ni jambo ambalo la msingi, endelea kutazama ili niweze kuchukua katika ngazi inayofuata. Kama umeshaeleka una swali uliza kwenye comment section. Lakini kama ndako na swali basi naweza tukaona namna gani ya kuweza kuweka mambo sawa. Kwa hiyo nakushukuru, tuendelee sana kutazama katika hatua ambayo inayofuata. Okay, so I would like to welcome you onto this next part of our general introductions, which I call it my big picture of chemistry form 1, form 2, form 3, and form 4. So it's general, right? And then we say that basically we began the journey of learning chemistry during our primary education, and which is standard 3, right? From standard 3 to standard 7. However, that we have been learning chemistry as a subject, as a part of of the subject we call it science. In Swahili we call it science. Okay, that's why that I wrote standard 3 to standard 7. This we call it fundamental science, which is primary education, which you learn it either in Swahili or in English, regardless of which language you have used. But we are focusing on the concepts, so it is a fundamental concepts of chemistry. So for example, that you have learned about matter during this stage. So you have learned some of the chemistry phenomena in primary education. Again, after we graduate in standard 7, then we went for O-level education. So just like I want to interpret it, what I've explained there, so I'll be interpreting sequentially so you get understanding. Okay, manake tumeanza kutengenezewa msingi wa kujifunza somo la chemistry zamani sana. Kuanzia tuko shule ya msingi, darasa la 3 mpaka darasa la 7. Japo somo lilikuwa hata kwa kuwa na somo lote lilikuwa linaitwa chemistry. Tulikuwa na somo ambalo linaitwa science. Kwa science ndani yake tutakuja kuona baadaye, ndani yake kuna masomo matatu ambayo tulikuwa tunasoma kwa pamoja. Kwa huu ni msingi tu wa science kwa ujumla. Kwa kuna baadhi ya misamiati ambayo ya chemistry tumejifunza huko. Kwa mfano mada. Manake mada ya bisi, mada kimiminika, mada gesi. Manake hizo tulijifunza tukiwa bado tuko shule ya msingi. So again, after we graduated that level, we went for, means we passed the exams, then we joined the O-level educations, ordinary secondary education. Okay, so this in this level now, we found science has been divided into mainly 3 branches, but also we found another 4 science subject at this level. So these 3 subjects which are branches of science are biology, from 1 to form 4. It's mandatory. Everybody has to study biology, whether artistic, whether business, what you call it, business or commercial subjects or commercial students. and even the science students. We used to learn biology from Form 1 to Form 4. Then the second subject is chemistry, which is Form 1 to Form 4 also for some of us, but for those who are doing artistic or business studies, they used to learn only for 2 years, Form 1 to Form 2, right? And then you have the another subject which you call the physics, Form 1 to Form 4, and then for some of us, but also artistic students who want to pursue the artistic, for example, laws and bachelor in laws, bachelor in public administration, whatever, and even business, for example, that commerce or bookkeeping, they used to learn physics for Form 1 to Form 2. During the Form 3, they began to go directly to Doti, or towards the year visions, which is towards the year fundamental program. And then we train our students in each of these class, means whether Form 1 to Form 4, to score A. Whether in mid-term test you have to score A, midterm exams A, annual exams A, pre-mock exams A, mock exam A, pre-national exams A, the national exam self A. Remember also our main focus is not to score A. Our main focus is we want to see you are taking the contents that you have used it to get to score A, then you go to the real life and then find a problem relating to the knowledge that you have and use those contents that you have used it to score A in order to score an A in the community on solving problems. That's our main objective for this program. Okay, so then at this level, we graduate with Certificate Secondary Education Examination, that is CSEE. Then we go to the next, to the 2 routes. So, manake baada ya kumaliza mtihani wa kidato wa darasa la 7, tulifaulu vizuri sana, tukapata science A vizuri. Sasa pia manake mnakuhamasisha upate A kuanzia huko kwenye msingi. Lakini tukienda sekondari, somo la science linagawanyika katika masomo makubwa matatu: biology, kemia pamoja na fizikia. Biology, wanafunzi wote wa O level tunasoma kwa miaka 4. Manake hakuna kuacha biology. Ila kwa chemistry na physics, kwa wale wanafunzi ambao wanataka kwenda katika mikondo ya sanaa au mikondo ya biashara, wanasoma haya masomo mawili, kidato cha kwanza na kidato cha pili. Wakifika kidato cha 3 na cha 4 wanaachana nayo. Lakini kwa sisi ambao tuna ndoto kwenye eneo la science, manake tunasoma chemistry na physics kwa miaka 4, kidato cha kwanza mpaka kidato cha 4. Na habari njema kwamba tunafundisha hapa chemistry kidato cha kwanza mpaka cha 4 na physics kidato cha kwanza mpaka kidato cha 4. Lakini kuna somo jipya linaloitwa kilimo, ambalo ni agriculture. Okay? Tunajishughulisha na kilimo. Kwa hiyo ninachohamasisha kwamba kwenye kila mtihani tutakokutana nao, tunakufundisha katika misingi ambayo kila mtihani utakayokuja mbele yako wa chemistry au physics, iwe ni mid-term, iwe ni terminal, iwe ni mtihani wa mwezi wa 12 wa kufunga shule, iwe ni mtihani wa pre-mock, mtihani wa mock, mtihani wa pre-nectar, mtihani wa nectar, iwe sijini inter schools examinations, iwe sijini moko wilaya, moko ni, tunafundisha wanafunzi wetu wahakikishe kwamba wanapata A kwenye masomo ya chemistry, physics na baadaye pia na biology. Right? Na inawezekana. Okay? Kwenye kila mtihani ukapata A. Lakini furaha yako isiyo kupata A kwenye mitihani ya kuandika au kwenye mitihani ya majaribio. Kwa sababu kwa mfano ukifika kidato cha 4 utafanya practical chemistry 1 na chemistry 2. Na chemistry 2 ni practical na chemistry 2 ni practical. Kwa hiyo manake furaha yetu ni kuona kwamba unachukua ile maarifa au unapata maarifa ya kwenye elimu ambayo kusaidia kupata A kwenye mtihani wa kuandika, unaenda kwenye jamii uliotoka, unatafuta tatizo ambalo unahitaji maarifa ya kemia, unalitatua au na pamoja na somo lingine tena. Hiyo ndio furaha yetu sisi. Okay, so after graduating this certificate secondary education examination, you got the advanced chemistry. We have 2 rounds. The first route, we can go for advanced level education system, which is 2 years from 5 to Form 6. And then in order to study chemistry, you should take these combinations: PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, chemistry, biology, geography, chemistry, biology, nutrition, chemistry, biology, agriculture. So basically, if I'm not mistaken, we have only 5 combinations where you can study advanced chemistry. So you should measure in either in any of this combination. So it's very interesting. It means we have advanced chemistry for the Form 5. In all exams of Form 5, we teach our students to score A. And then we have advanced chemistry for the Form 6. We teach our students also to score A. And then here we have against a gateway or a bridge, which is called advanced certificate secondary examination. Advanced certificate secondary education examination. Yes, okay, advanced certificate secondary education examination. So it means that we just added from this CSEEE, we added A stand for the advanced level. So we have also an official YouTube channels or online schools dealing with advanced. We call it Tanzania Online Advanced Secondary Schools, and we have a YouTube channel which we call the Tanzania Online A-Level Secondary School. The same name, but just here you replace all with A. We teach students advanced chemistry from 5, advanced chemistry from 6, advanced physics from 5, advanced physics from 6, advanced mathematics from 5, advanced mathematics from 6, basic applied mathematics from 5, basic mathematics from 6. So we are teaching 8 subjects in this channel. So it is official channel and dedicated for that particular. Also, you can take a route of 40 special applied chemistry, which is ordinary diploma. So you can have a special applications, right? Or special first year special applied chemistry, second year special applied chemistry, third year special applied chemistry. So for this, for here, it means that you'll be graduating with a level we call it NTA, National Technical Awards, NTA, and then this one it will be level 6, right? So it means that also with some of our A level, for example, some of our A level contents will help the students who are pursuing special applied chemistry in ordinary diploma. For example, lab science, biotechnology. There are some courses also could be nutrition. Okay, you can find maybe some of diploma in chemical engineering or chemical process engineering. So you have different careers which actually that they take this route. So it can also a student to think on scoring A in any exams, but the rejoice, remember it's not to score A. Scoring A in class is just one of achievement, but our main objective should be taking the contents, the knowledge we get from scoring A and solve a real life problem. That's our rejoice. Then we graduate for this level, graduate with NTA level 60. Here we graduate is a certificate of advanced education, secondary education, and all the graduate from this route and this route, they can meet at higher or advanced, means higher institution or higher college or higher university for undergraduate and bachelor, possibly in chemistry or some other related courses. So you see, is it interesting? Tell me in the comment sections if you enjoyed this stuff. So let me translate, okay? So baada ya kumaliza mtihani wa kidato cha 4 ukafaulu, unaweza kaendelea na chemistry katika njia mbili. Njia ya kwanza unaweza kaenda katika elimu ya juu ambayo inaitwa advanced education, na ukasoma combinations zifuatazo 5, maana yake physics, chemistry, mathematics. Hizo combinations zote 5 kazisoma, yani combination moja hapo kati ya hizo 5. Ndani yake kuna chemistry. Kwa ukasoma chemistry, utasoma chemistry kidato cha 5, chemistry kidato cha 6. Manake kwa habari njema tuna pia shule maalum ya mtandaoni kwa ajili ya kuwafundisha wanafunzi ambao wako katika ngazi hii ya elimu, okay, ambao tunaita Tanzania Online Advanced Secondary Schools, Olenjolain. Nadhani umeona linki mwanzoni au mwishoni mwa video hii. Lakini hapa manake nafundisha pia wanafunzi wetu kuwa na fikra za kupata A kwenye kila mtihani wote watakaokutana nao wakiwa katika darasa hili au katika darasa hili hapa. Okay? Pia unaweza ukachukua njia nyingine ukaelekea kusoma matumizi, manake special applied chemistry, manake ni matumizi maalum. Nako unachukua tu utosoma chemistry sasa somo la kemia kwa ujumla. Utachukua tu kwamba maarifa, manake maada fulani, kwa mfano kama unasoma lab technology au lab sasa biotechnology, manake kuna vitu unavyohitaji kwenye chemistry kwa ajili ya biotechnology, sio vyote. Labda kwa mfano unahitaji organic chemistry, right? Maybe for organic processing. Kwa utasoma organic na utachukulia organic inatumika specifically kwa ajili ya maeneo hayo. Kwa kuna mwaka wa kwanza ni elimu ya miaka 3 inakuwa chini ya NACTE. Kuna diploma mwaka wa kwanza, mwaka wa pili na mwaka wa 3. Kwa unaweza kukuta kwamba ninachokifundisha huku na huku pia kinahitajika. Kwa maana yake wanafunzi wanaweza kuchukua maarifa huku wakaitumia huku, na kisha nasitiza wanafunzi wetu wapate A kwenye kila ngazi ya elimu ambayo wako. Ila furaha, kumbuka kwamba si wewe kupata A kwenye ngazi hizi hapa kwenye chemistry ya ngazi hizi hapa, bali furaha yetu ni kuona kwamba unachuja maarifa iliyokuwa kwenye elimu iliyokupatia A ya chemistry katika hizo ngazi na kutatua tatizo la kwenye jamii ya kwako mwenyewe. Halafu then tunakuja hapa katika ngazi nyingine kwamba maana atakayemaliza hapa atapewa cheti kinachoitwa Advanced Certificate Secondary Education Examination, na matokeo yanakuwa katika in terms of division, lakini hapa maana yake inakuwa ni NTA level, National Technical Award level, ambao ni level 6 na matokeo hapa yanatoka katika mfumo wa GPA, right? And then wote mnaweza mkakutana chuo kikuu katika shahada ya kwanza. Maana yake mnaweza pia ukaendelea na chemistry katika shahada hiyo. Na pia nahakikisha na naasisi wanafunzi wetu waendelee kuwa na fikra za kupata A kwa mitihani yote ya darasani na kupata A katika kutatua matatizo mbalimbali. So then that's one of the important part for this general introductions. Then the next step now, I would like to take you into the third part, which I want to share with you reference books and the materials that you can use them in order for you to learn chemistry. So join me.